dog, how'd it go for you?
You know, I'm kind of disappointed, but I cashed. So I can't be upset. We got more pins for the World Championships, which is the big picture. It sucks missing by 27.
First man out.
Yeah, first man out. So kind of sucks, but we cashed, so it's a good week. So.
7th, I thought I was just gonna 9 them to death straight out of the cut. It took me 37 frames to catch my first 3-bagger. That's a real stat.
It's not good when you count.
That's a real stat. Well, I just knew that I finally got a 3-bagger in the 8th frame or whatever it was. But I shot 240, 240 to bump back up. We bowl against Graham, Foch, and match play. Let's go.
DJ, no dice today.
No dice. I thought I was doing a little something. I had 2-0, 2-0, 250.
Okay.
And then we went down to 21 and 22.
Yo, did we all hit that pair today or what?
And I shot a smooth 140 and then 220. So
just one rough game, it's all it was.
Yeah, well, it was like a cluster of rough games, really. So it's all good though. Get a little break tonight, watch my guys bowl, and then back at it tomorrow.
I just cruise controlled them to death. That's what I did. I left a lot of 7 pins, but I made all of them, and that's what matters. Spares matter. I qualified 4th overall. Got a match play tonight in bowling Kyle Troop. Hopefully sneak out of there in a best of 5 match and win, and win another match and advance to the show. A lot of lefties in the cut, and I don't have to bowl any of them in match play.
Do you love that or hate that?
Doesn't matter.
I think it's an advantage.
I don't think it really matters.
I think it's an advantage too because we haven't seen the traffic we're about to see.
Right, we're on top of each other like that.
The most lefties I caught in qualifying was 2 lefties on 1 pair, and it wasn't even one of their starting pairs.
Right.
I would rather, I don't know, I would probably rather bowl a lefty because I feel like if it gets bad, it gets bad for both of us.
Then
if it's good, it's good for both of us, and I think I can make better moves and adjustments than like most of them.
Top 16 players are squaring off in a bracket elimination format, best of 5. So the first player to win 3 games tonight will advance to the round of 8.
The rep on 37 is full every time.
So what's going on?
Mixing in the hair and pocket 6-8. Do a good shot in flat 7. I'm not throwing the right ball, but I'm gonna bail out this game.
did have 800 his first 3. More flat. Do the thing. Let's go. That's what I was afraid of. That's what I was afraid of. Throw that one. Yeah. Let's go. One shot at a time, bud. Play. It's okay. Great shot. Here. There you go.
We're in there? Well, so far. It giveth, it taketh.
Only time we get to do that.
Change the whole. It's a really
All right, bowling fans, that concludes our bracket elimination match play. I got a round of applause for all of the players tonight. PBA Tour, he holds the record for all-time major wins with 15, seven-time PBA Player of the Year. Please welcome Jason Belmonte. Winner of that opening match will be moving on to take on the number 3 seed. He'll be looking for his second career PBA title from Roseville, California. Please welcome Keven Williams. Winner from there will move on to take on our number 2 seed. He's a 2-time champion on the PBA Tour. Please welcome Packy Henry. Waiting at the top of the ladder, he was your number 1 seed in qualifying, and he retains that number 1 seed into the step ladder finals. He won the 2021 Jonesboro Open for his first title, looking for his second this next week from Baldwin, Missouri. Please welcome Mr. Matt Russo.
know. It's disgusting.
Those are your
I wanna be
finalists
like
for the
that.
Scorpion Championship. And don't forget, we've got a lot of bowling action still to go. These players have to be back tomorrow morning. They kick off the Shark Championship at 11 a.m. And we want to thank the staff for an outstanding job they've done.
I'm so tired.
But
We made the telecast.
He's bricked up.
That was the most dialed in I've ever been for match play. Simply just bowled the best I've ever bowled. Hands down. I'm being serious. BJ saw it. He can
Kevin rides the largest roller coaster of emotion.
No, I don't. You say that. It's not even
No,
true.
tonight was really good.
I'm being serious. Like
I only say that because you said,
was dying.
yeah, tonight was literally the best I've ever bowled in my
that was
life.
the best executed match I have ever bowled, and I stand on that 100%. I threw maybe 2 bad shots, and the rest were no brainers.
Yeah.
For real. I missed 1 spare. I 5-pinned. I could have thrown double 9 to sweep Jesper, and I struck Shaker 5 to go to a game.
And he ran it out a little bit.
I ran it
He
out.
was ready for it. He was ready for it.
And then I had the front 6, and I shot 250 out, and that was that.
I'm a firm believer that I'm always the same bowler, and sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. And we made a telecast at the same time.
'Cause
Lefties, let's get them. I also made a telecast. I went the route of righties. I bowled Kyle Troop, and then I bowled Chris 5. 1 and 4, and then 1 and 5. Another tournament to bowl tomorrow, so that's that.
Yeah, dude, that's brutal.
It is 11:50. We just finished eating dinner, and we got to wake up at probably 8:30.
Say it out loud.
And we got to wake up at 8:30, and we got to bowl tomorrow at 11. So here we go.
We're in good position for the Worlds. Bye.